The truth is that I didn't have much faith, because cleaning with water, as you say, is not enough, right? But then we have been doing several tests, because here, if there is one thing we have, it is that we are very demanding with anything. So if a new product has to come in, we test it, right? And it has been tested in the dining room, in the kitchen, in washing, in glasses, and it works. It works.
Above all, what is surprising is that you eliminate the soap, which we already know is not the most ecological thing in the world. And then what is most surprising is that you put it on top of an iron, you put it on the table, microbacterial, that is, it removes the bacteria, and then it is impeccable without any type of soap. It's amazing. The floor, all the countertops, the glass, because here we handle a lot of glass, the dishes, and then in the sink, all the pots and pans and so on are also cleaned with ozone. You don't see foam, but you see the cleanliness. That is, you notice it, you can see that it remains, and then you don't get reflections, you don't get stains. It's very good. Chemical products are already known that apart from the fact that we are not going to make a war, but they are toxic. That is, they do not benefit. They simply disinfect. But if you can do it in a much more ecological and sustainable way, once it has been demonstrated that it works, it is wonderful. They are ozonized. I don't know how to say it, but well, everybody talks about ozone, put ozone, give me ozone, and I believe that this is also good for the equipment.
It's also good for the equipment. To promote the idea of being ecological and that we have to take care of the environment, and I think you work happier, don't you?